Kung meron pala kayong ka-situationship ngayon, na alam nyo naman na hanggang dun lang yung kayang ibigay sa inyo, tapos hindi nag-reply sa inyo, or tumawag kayo, hindi niya sinagot, alam nyo yun, parang hindi kanya priority, huwag kang nagagalit. Bakit? Huwag kang nagagalit kasi sanay ka naman mag-settle sa list di ba? So bakit ka magagalit? Pinili mo yung sitwasyon na magulo. Nagagalit ka, binibigyan ka ng list. Sus, para namang hindi sanay.
Don't kiss me right now. Don't tell me that you need me. Don't show up at my house, all caught up in your feelings. Don't run me round and round. Don't build me up just to let me down. Just to let me down, down, down.